Carbon monoxide monitor. Too often, the diagnosis of carbon monoxide poisoning has been misdiagnosed because the symptoms are mistaken for the flu or even fatigue. Now, with a MicroCO, firefighters and emergency providers can diagnose carbon monoxide poisoning easily, quickly, and expensively right on the scene, thus preventing possible long-term cardiac or neurological damage. Studies have determined that breathed carbon monoxide monitors, such as the MicroCO, can provide fast, inexpensive, and non-invasive estimates of the approximate concentration of blood COHb, facilitating diagnosis and treatment of carbon monoxide poisoning. A small, lightweight, portable, and durable. Ideal tool for firefighter rehab and triage of suspected carbon monoxide poisoning. Complies with NFPA 15A4, standard on the rehabilitation process for members during emergency operations and training exercises. Proven technology, has been in use for over 15 years. Immediate display of carbon monoxide levels and ppm and percentage COHb. Easy to use, clean and maintain. Simple calibration routine. Single switch operation. Low cost per use. Battery life, 30 hours of continuous use. Supplied in a hard plastic carrying case. Optional soft padded case. Package includes MicroCO monitor, CO mouthpiece connector, 2 mouthpieces. Let us help you today. Call Happy Medical Supplies at 949-420-9322 or go to www.happymedicalsupplies.com. You can also see the complete information on the description box.